Let's learn bead embroidery. We have this fabric with a straight line, a single bead, a curved line, and square, circle, and heart shapes printed on it. We will need a tiny needle that beads can easily pass through, and white thread, the regular machine thread. We will thread the needle and use a double thread. Now, insert the needle into the fabric and pull it through. Next, take your beads and insert the needle through the beads. We will start with 2 beads. Now slide the beads down and insert the needle right next to the beads like this, and pull through slowly. To lock it, pull the needle forward through the front of the last bead, and then insert the needle through that same last bead and pull it through. Now we will continue the further process. You can take 3 beads now, insert the needle right next to where the beads end. Again, to lock it, pull the needle forward through the front of the last bead and then insert the needle through that same last bead and pull it through. Continue the same process to complete the entire straight line. At the end, to lock the entire line, pull the needle down from the side of the last bead and then lock it from the back. To lock from the back, pass the needle through your last stitch and pull. Now keep a loop at the end and pass the needle through that loop, then pull. Do this twice to properly secure your stitch. Now all your beads are properly locked and they will not move. For the single bead, the process is similar. Pull the needle up, insert the bead, and pull the needle down. To lock it, pull the needle back up from the side of the bead, then insert it through the bead and pull it through. Now simply pull the needle down and lock it from the back. Repeat the same process for the curved line. Follow the shape of the curved line and make sure to lock every bead so they do not move. For the square, you can follow the shape of the square. Here, we will do bead embroidery using lines. You can use 4 to 5 beads at a time. Always lock the last bead before adding more beads. After completing each line, lock it from the back and then continue to the next line. Continue the same process for the entire square. For the circle, work according to the shape and fill the circle with bead embroidery. For the circle, start with only 2 to 3 beads so that the shape looks clean and symmetrical. Repeat the process and lock every bead. Do this for the entire circle, then lock it, and repeat the same steps until you finish the entire design. For the heart, follow the shape of the heart and fill it in the same way. Now you have learned how to do bead embroidery. Repeat these steps and complete your design. Happy embroidery!